guys, welcome to our fall morning routine. I am so excited to show you this routine because we just moved into our new house and has such good lighting. So I'm like really pumped about videos. This video is actually sponsored by Keurig, which I was floored about because I drink coffee every morning. And so I'm really excited to show you our routine. It's a little hectic since we moved in this week, but let's get started.
What do you do in the mornings? You in your chair? Just taking a little nap? Huh? What's your morning routine? Is this it? Hazel, I think that chair is a little too small for you. I don't know if you quite fit.
All right.
Oh my gosh, I get an Xbox and you get a Keurig coffee maker? That's fair.
No, so this is the Keurig Special Edition K-Café single serve coffee, latte, and cappuccino maker.
What happened? Overnight you just become a coffee connoisseur?
Babe, when you have something like this,
I will say this really does go well with our kitchen.
I know, it's so like
it's like everything in here is like silver,
next
stainless
to my
steel.
most prized possession.
Me?
Our wedding photo.
Oh, babe, that was really sweet.
Okay, so let's start with some milk.
Okay.
Squeeze me.
Check.
Check, check. Alrighty, so here is the frother. Then you're just gonna pour it to the line.
Okay.
Alrighty, so then we're gonna stick this on here. The cool thing about these too is you can stick them in the dishwasher. Cause remember my old one, it got so messy you could never see, like you had to hand wash it.
Oh my gosh, I had to hand wash that thing all the time.
I'm not into that. This is our beautiful backyard. That's George.
It's like literally looked like it was about to crush your head.
No, so our
What are they putting in a dog park here?
No, babe, they're gonna put in some more homes. Actually, the day that we closed on this house, they knocked down the complex that was right next to us. So we're gonna have new neighbors.
Such a positive outlook on life.
So then as your milk is frothing, I'm gonna grab my K-Cup pods. You can actually use any K-Cup pods that you like, so the options are truly endless. Laughing man. Hey babe, come closer.
I'm here.
I have to show you. Okay, so you wanna make sure that you have water on the side. You can use any K-Cup pods that you like, so the options are really endless. And then you're gonna lift this part up, stick the K-Cup pod in, and then with a touch of a button, you get your cappuccino. Wow. Oh yeah, babe.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, I see it. I see what you did there.
Wait, hold on, let me.
Oh my gosh, that actually looks so good.
Brew, froth, and joy, baby boy.
Oh my gosh, that is the best rhyme.
The coffee has kicked in. I am ready for an arts and crafts.
Okay, but before arts and craft, can we do breakfast?
Babe, I lose my appetite when I get excited.
Look,
It's like that's so weird.
behind you.
George, get out of here. I'm trying to film a video. Okay, so then after I get my good cup of coffee, I take all my vitamins. Babe, I got a set out for you. We have fish oil.
What are these?
We have B12, magnesium, all of the things.
We take the same vitamins. How cute. His and her vitamins.
Like how many I can do at once?
No.
I bet you I could do all of these
I
at
can do
once.
one at a time,
Like,
seriously.
all at once.
No.
Watch.
Oh, whoa. That's crazy.
I know. I've been practicing.
That's really crazy.
Babe, I'm digging this vibe. Look at this Be Fast.
Oh my
So
gosh,
we have,
how
since
cute.
this is fall, we have a pumpkin waffle.
Oh my
2
gosh.
pumpkin waffles each.
You made these from scratch?
Babe, don't mess with me. They're frozen.
But they're pumpkin.
You know me. And then I heated up some syrup with pecans. Oh, holy guac, that's hot.
I know, it's really hot.
Yeah.
I heated the syrup in the microwave because it makes it pour out easier. That's just a little pro tip from me.
Yeah, don't put it in for an hour though.
Whoa.
And then we're gonna sprinkle some pecans.
Oh! Get a little more of mine. Yeah.
Yum!
Tell me you wouldn't find that at a restaurant. I don't need a restaurant because I got my own in-house chef slash barista.
I'm not very good with compliments.
Well,
I just say, okay. Because my mom told me not to like decline a compliment. Like she was like, people give you a compliment, like, accept it. So I just usually now say, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So we always buy pumpkin for the dogs and put that on their food because our vet told us that that helps with their digestive systems, and Hazel really loves it. So not only are we eating a fall breakfast, so are the pups.
Hazel, are you ready for your breakfast? You ready for your pumpkin? You ready? Okay, come on, I'm gonna mix it with your food, okay? Calm down. No, calm down, wait. Hazel, wait. You really only need like 1 scoop. Just a little pumpkin.
Okay, so one of my favorite things about fall is all the home decor. So I got these pumpkins, it's like a pumpkin tree from the store, and I'm going to decorate these around the house. And then I also got some mini pumpkins, just orange and white pumpkins. I think it's really fun to play around with little mini pumpkins, and just they can really go anywhere in the house. So starting out with, I put some pumpkins in a vase like this. And I'm just putting this in our kitchen next to our coffee maker. And then I took a couple of little stems, and I had to decorate my workstation so that I'm in the mood.
So basically you decorate your workstation so that you're more productive?
Always. Yes.
Oh wow, that's actually kind of smart.
And I have a couple of candles burning to just really set the mood. I mean, I'm a pretty like high-strung person, so it kind of just like de-stresses me.
What did you do?
I just did some stick-on nails. I finished them. Look, they're actually so cool. Cause you know, I feel like stick-on nails.
It's 9 a.m. in the morning and you're doing your nails?
Well, they were so bad, and I don't have time to go to the nail salon because I'm moving, you know. So my whole outfit is from Beachy Collection, Beachy Dolls on Instagram. And so I have this like slouchy cardigan that has really fun sleeves, and then a striped, like pretty wide neck sweater that's really soft. And then the jeans are also from Beachy Dolls.
Woo-wee!
And then I'll show you my lip gloss.
Oh shoot.
This is from MAC, and the color is Soar.
Put it on. Ooh.
It's a good fall color. Lily, you wanna do your outfit of the day, Mama?
Not into it.
Okay, so after I have woken up pretty early, spent some quality time with my hubby, eaten a good breakfast, drank a cup of coffee, then I feel more inspired to sit down and spend some good time working. So I'll be checking some emails and working on a couple of blog posts now that I feel more inspired. So I hope that you guys like this video. Subscribe to see more, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, so I will make sure to put the link in the description box to Keurig.com if y'all are interested in getting one of these bad boys. I mean, Christmas is coming up, my birthday is coming up. We could have one in the office too.
Let's get 4. 1 for each room.
Well, that's why I married you. So it's about noon, time for another cup. Thank you so much to Keurig for sponsoring this video.